Hi, welcome back, and if you're new here, I'm Christa Clark, and you're watching another artistic vegan cooking show where I like to show you healthy vegan recipes that you can make at home for yourself and for your loved ones. Today we are making vegan gluten-free pancakes. Now this is my go-to recipe and I just adore this recipe. It's almost like the Bisquick's or mother or queen of all pancake recipes for me. We just love it. It's really fantastic. I'm gonna start with 1.5 cups of this rice flour. And we also want 1/2 cup of your favorite starch. I'm using a potato starch, but you could use tapioca, arrowroot, corn, whatever you got. In total, you want 2 cups of flour. Then you want to add some baking powder. Now, I do recommend getting one that is aluminum free, and so we're going to use about 2 teaspoons there. You also want to have your vegan egg ready. Probably should have got that first, but it's okay. You want 2 vegan eggs, so I have 2 tablespoons of flax meal, 6 tablespoons of water. Give that a mix. And you want that to congeal. It'll take about 3 to 5 minutes. Then you'll also want to add some salt. And that's it. So then you just mix that all together. You can double, triple, quadruple this, mix it together, and use this as a homemade pancake batter mix. Then we can just start adding in our wet ingredients. You want about 1.25 cups of dairy-free milk. I'm using a homemade cashew milk. Vanilla is optional. Really love the flavor it brings in pancakes, so go ahead and add that in if you'd like. You can add 2 to 4 tablespoons of oil. It's completely up to you. You can also use a peanut butter. You don't have to. I've made it without it and it's fine. And then you can use your favorite sweetener. I'm just using some agave, maple syrup would be great. You can also keep it sugar-free. Okay, and then just add in your congealed flax mixture. And then just whisk that together until it is smooth and you don't have any more lumps or bumps. And at the meantime, you can also start preheating your griddle, get it to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also heat your oven on low so you can have a place to place your cakes when you're done. And that's it, let's do it. Order's up. We have our huge stack of pancakes. I'm gonna go share with my husband. They break apart really nice. They cook really easy. They taste amazing. You would never know they're gluten-free. You can get this banging recipe over at artisticvegan.com. See you next time. Bye.